The European Data Protection Board's (EDPB) Guidelines 8/2020 focus on the intricacies and challenges of targeting social media users. The guidelines, refined and adopted through public consultation, aim to clarify the complex landscape of responsibilities and processes involved in social media targeting. This expert analysis delves into the EDPB's comprehensive document, exploring its contents, the implications for various stakeholders, and the overarching goals to ensure the protection of users' rights in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Introduction to EDPB Guidelines 8/2020. The rise of social media has significantly transformed online interactions, prompting the EDPB to address the nuanced processes and roles associated with targeting social media users. These guidelines aim to illuminate the responsibilities of social media providers, targeters, and other actors involved, ensuring the protection of personal data in line with GDPR requirements. Scope and objectives. The document delineates its focus on the relationships between social media users, providers, and targeters, emphasizing the need for clarity on roles and responsibilities. By scrutinizing various targeting mechanisms, ranging from data provided by users to inferred data, the guidelines strive to highlight the risks associated with data processing and outline measures for mitigating these risks. Risks to user rights. The guidelines underscore the potential risks targeting poses to users' rights, including privacy infringements and the manipulation of user behavior. It raises concerns about the opacity of data processing and the potential for unanticipated uses of personal data, which may not only infringe on data protection laws but also impinge on other fundamental rights and freedoms. Actors and their roles. Identifying the main actors, users, social media providers, targeters, and other relevant entities. The guidelines clarify their roles and responsibilities within the targeting ecosystem. Key judgments from the Court of Justice of the European Union, CJEU, are referenced to elucidate the concept of joint responsibility under EU data protection law, particularly in the context of social media targeting. Targeting mechanisms and data protection requirements. A thorough analysis of different targeting mechanisms provides insight into the legal basis for data processing, including consent and legitimate interests. The guidelines also tackle the necessity of transparency, the right of access, data protection impact assessments, DPIAs, and special categories of data, offering detailed scenarios to illustrate the complexities involved. Joint controllership and shared responsibilities. Addressing joint controllership, the guidelines emphasize the need for an arrangement transparently defining the respective responsibilities of social media providers and targeters. This includes ensuring compliance with GDPR provisions concerning transparency, DPIAs, and the processing of special categories of data. Implications and compliance strategies. For social media platforms and entities using targeting services, the guidelines necessitate a re-evaluation of data processing activities to ensure GDPR compliance. This may involve revising user consent mechanisms, enhancing transparency measures, and establishing clear agreements on roles and responsibilities to safeguard user rights effectively. Conclusion. The EDPB Guidelines 8/2020 represent a critical step towards demystifying the processes and responsibilities associated with the targeting of social media users. By providing a detailed framework for understanding and addressing the risks involved, the guidelines aim to foster a safer, more transparent online environment where users' rights and freedoms are vigorously protected. Compliance with these guidelines not only ensures adherence to GDPR standards but also enhances trust in the digital ecosystem, benefiting both users and providers alike.